I'm starting with the front panel first. This is center front line, then shoulder line. 8¼ inches down from shoulder, place a bust line. 16 inches from shoulder, place a waistline. 7 inches down from waist, draw a hip line. Total length 29 inches. .5 inches for shoulder. 3 inches wide for neck. Shoulders low drop 1 3/4. 9.5 inches for bust line. 9 inches for waistline. 10 inches for hip line. Draw a nice curved line. Add half an inch extension at the center front bottom, because the bust height will cause the center front length shorter than the back, and this small extension helps even the front and the back. From basic line, 2 inches deepen in. Extend the bust line, waistline, and hip line. Keep 2 or 3 inches distance between patterns. Make a center back line, which is center folding line. 9 inches and a half for bust. 9 inches for waist. 10 inches for hip. Make a nice curved line. The back shoulder should be 3/4 higher than the front because of our back shoulder thickness. .3 inches for leg width. 7.5 inches for shoulder. Shoulders low drop 1.5 inches. Back neck dip 1 inch. One 3/4 from the basic line, draw an armhole. Start from center 4 inches. That is 1 1/4 inches wide, evenly divided. Add the 1.5 inches for hem facing. One 1/4 at front waist, starting the line. This line is for joining the corner. This arrow is for fabric direction for marking pattern. Sleeve length 23 inches. Sleeve cat height 5.5 inches. To determine the sleeve cap, firstly, I need to measure the armhole for the front and the back. Leave a little space for the seam. From this point to sleeve cap line, copy the back armhole measurement 8 inches and 3/4. Then from the cap notch, measure 8.5 inches taken from the front armhole. Now the sleeve cap notch here. When we install the sleeve, we had to match it to the shoulder seam. Four inches for front, 4.25 inches for the back. Nicely taping a little bit at seam. From this point, 1/4 down, position another point which is the cross point with the cap. The back sleeve cap is less deeper than the front because we need to give more room for our arm movement. At 1.5 inches for hand. Measure neckline to determine the collar length. (32.5 inches for the length. This is a collar folding line. 5 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. The wider side is the collar bottom. The shorter side is the center back join seam. We need to cut 2 pieces fabric for this pattern. 2 pieces join at the center back. For better quality, always match with the notches when sewing. 3 inches from center back, make a notch to match with the shoulder seam. Collar length a little shorter than neckline because for stretch fabric, we always had to hold the neckline a little bit, especially for back neck. If you like my channel, please give me a thumb, leave comment, and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.